Docia Deficiency List is one of the most powerful tools for registering defects, inspections, quality assurance, supervision, and more. Docia Deficiency List is cloud-based with both a web interface and a mobile interface. The web interface enables you to customize and configure your lists, make reports, and take multiple actions, such as follow-up. The mobile interface is the fastest and most efficient way to make registrations on-site using a simple GUI and the smartphone's camera. Go to docia.com and log in. A user profile is free. If you do not have a user profile, you will have to sign up. Configuring a Docia deficiency list is quick and easy. The intuitiveness of the web interface enables the administrator to customize the list to fit the specific purpose and requirements. The list we set up will be fully equipped to handle defects on an actual construction site. Setup and configuration takes less than 10 minutes and can always be changed during the process, both via the web interface and directly from the smartphone by adding options to the menu. If your company already has a template for example, supervision, you can open a new list directly from this template. Every list can be stored as a template for later use. In this example, we will set up a small list for defects on 3 different floors. But you can choose what information should be assigned to each registration. A number of fixed system fields will help you get started in configuring and registering deficiencies. We want to handle defects and send information about the defects with all collected data, such as a unique ID number, geotags, photo documentation, descriptions, placement on floor plans, etc., directly to the contractor and the enterprise responsible for this defect. We add new fields according to the specific needs for this defect registration. We create a drop-down list in advance, including a short description of the defects we expect to come across. When team members are out to register using the mobile device, this will make it quick and easy for them to describe the defect via just a few taps on the screen. If you need more descriptions when you are out registering defects, you can always add new ones directly from your smartphone, and the field will automatically be saved in the system. The vast options in setting up the list allow you to collect data in a very structured way, which is very efficient and works on-site. Once you have configured the list, it is ready to be deployed and used directly on-site via PC or smartphone. You still retain the flexibility of being able to further configure the list while it is being used, and the supervisors can follow the progress in real time from any location via the Internet. You can add all relevant contracts for each case. Afterwards, you can add the individuals responsible for the established contracts. You can add as many as you might need. When the data entry is complete, the list will be distributed directly to the parties involved. The system ensures that the contractors only receive a list of those defects they are responsible for correcting. This creates an overview for all parties and guarantees effective, high-quality follow-up. The Docia app can be downloaded on the Android market. The app gives you mobile access to the deficiency list via your smartphone or tablet. Working with smartphones and tablets is the most easy and efficient way to register and collect data and documentation of defects on-site. The configuration, the automatic system fields, photos, and easy data entry will give you the most information in a speedy and structured manner. Our customers save time and valuable resources by using Docia Deficiency List. When registering defects, you can choose which contractor will be responsible for the repair of the defect. You can also add an approximate cost for correcting the defect. From the drop-down list we created during configuration, you can also choose a text that describes the defect, making the registration quick and easy. If you need a different description, you can always add a new one directly from your smartphone, and the field will automatically be saved in the system. You can also place the defect on a floor plan of each story, which provides a complete overview of defect's precise positioning and makes it easy for the contractors to locate the defect when it is to be corrected. You can then choose to add a picture of the defect. If you wish to mark an area directly on the photo to highlight details, you can click on the image and make the marking directly via the mobile's touchscreen. You can use your smartphone in offline mode when registering defects without an internet connection. Once the device is reconnected to the internet, the entire deficiency registration can be synchronized and all data will be updated. With Docia Deficiency List, the registration, photo documentation, and descriptions are gathered in one operation. On the web interface, you can follow progress and start working with the data collected. As the defects are registered and corrected, the status of the defect changes, providing a complete and updated overview of all defects. The status of each defect is indicated with different colors on the floor plan, creating a comprehensive overview. You can, of course, print reports with all or selected defects, including photo documentation, floor plans, descriptions, and the responsible contractors. Docia Deficiency List makes a critical and time-consuming process more efficient, creating added value for all users in the supply chain.